What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it is about 7 in the morning. Well, it's like 7:40 in the morning. Today we are going to Cinnamom in Grand Plank because there's a Cars and Coffee that I've been going to every Sunday. It's the first time I'm going to be filming it. We gotta go get some breakfast because I'm hungry. Then possibly we're meeting up with my cousin to go get our cars washed, and then we will head to Cinnamom for the Cars and Coffee. I've been to Cinnamom before because we've been having these Cars and Coffee. Cinnamom is amazing. They have some great cinnamon rolls, and they love letting us use the parking lot for a Cars and Coffee. So let's go get in the 335 and we will head to get some breakfast. Alright, I had to mess with my camera settings a bit, but we made it to the car wash. Waiting for my cousin to get here. I'm gonna start cleaning out my car before I start washing it. And once he gets here, we'll put both cars in the bay and we'll give them a good wash. I mean, might just spray mine off. It's not like the dirtiest thing in the world, so I might just spray water on it and then wipe it down with a microfiber, but I don't know. We'll see. He's pulling up. 2023 LT1. There's his Instagram if you want to go follow him. It's a good looking car. I'm not really a GM fan, but it is a good looking car. They actually work now. Yeah. Yeah, we had a drink in that cup holder one time, and for some reason as we were driving, it like popped out of the cup holder and fell on the floor. It was like it shot out because it came up and went down on the floor, and that was wild. But we're gonna wash both of our cars, and then he's gonna be the leader. I'm gonna follow him to the Cars and Coffee event. Alrighty, we just washed our cars. We're about to head out. We're gonna let the wind kind of dry our cars. We're gonna head there, and then you guys will see the video again once we get there. Well, maybe I might do a couple where I see his car. Couple minutes away. Yeah, we'll get there about on time. About to pull up. The meet just barely started, so there's not going to be a ton of cars there, but sure, why not park next to the $200,000 McLaren? Alright, we are here. Some people finally started showing up. Got Eric's 3 cars, some other cars over there. Not a ton of people here yet, but it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. Turbo Eclipse. pretty nice. Something about to come in. Oh, got a Challenger. A couple Z's. C6. Nice truck. Austin's M240. Clayton's Camaro's over there. Got J. Wo's Miata. Right-hand drive R32. This thing is sick. STI or no, WRX with a, says it's built motor. It's sick. I don't know much about Subarus, but then yeah, we got Eric's MP412C. Not 100% sure what he has done to it. All three of these cars are Eric's. This is his GTR that's got quite a bit done to it. All of his plates say send it to, which I think is awesome. And the 720, and this beautiful orange. I love this color. I think that looks good. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. It is kind of windy out here. It is what it is. Looks like a Trackhawk or something that's pulling up. Looks kind of like a Trackhawk. Sounds like a Trackhawk. Yeah, hopefully some more cars start showing up. Probably gonna go in a bit and get some cinnamon rolls because they got some really good cinnamon rolls. All right, he's about to call the raffle, so we're gonna walk over here.
054.
Damn, that was close. Clayton got it. Good job, Clayton. That was one number from mine. What'd you get? The $25 gift card, yeah. It's an F-150 that just went by, but some more stuff just pulled up. You didn't see the Supra? This would be fun to fucking have. Yeah. GTR pulled up.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the carbon fiber fender.
I feel like it just needs to be tied in. You know what I mean? Like if you tied it in, like dude, if you did.
Getting a little dark now, but some more cars over here. GTI, Mercedes, G8, S650. Some people are leaving just because of the weather, because it's getting a little dark, but we're chilling. This is a really nice GTR. I love the color on it. S550, nice Supra. Subaru, because why not? This Firebird's a turbo V6. Wild. Not a bad little turnout. There's still more people on their way, seems like, so probably just gonna wait here till more cars come. I can feel a little raindrop there, but we should be alright. Should probably put the windows up in my car. We're gonna sit in the rain here for a minute. It's raining fairly good right now. Not everyone's leaving, but quite a few people are, so we're gonna get some video of that. Oh, it looks like there's a Blazer showing up. Nice. Oh god. Jesus Christ, that was loud. Oh, this is a sick Audi. Goddamn! Oh, that Mustang got it. Oh shit, he's going for that Mustang. Austin might do something, we'll see. He may or may not. He drives that car hard, so. Subaru. It's Mark II. That fucker's loud, goddamn. Alright guys, so obviously I'm back home. Meet wasn't as big as I was hoping it would be, but it was also still pretty good. There was quite a few cars that came out. Last time was a bit bigger. We were hoping for more this time, but it's alright, it happens. I think most people didn't want to come out because of the weather, which honestly, that's fine. It didn't end up raining until like 11:30 or 12. Regardless, there was still a lot of nice cars there. So if you like this video, I'll do more Cinnamom meet videos in the future when the next ones are, and hopefully I can figure out some more content for you guys. So if you liked it, hit that like button, and please subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.